Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. As you can see, today we are in beautiful Zurich at the Zurich Lake with this Mercedes-AMG SLS 63. It is amazing in a gorgeous red color, and especially from this perspective you can see the SLS Roadster, the cabriolet. Amazing bright interior. And this SLS AMG speed shift, in my opinion, is a perfect collector's item, especially because this is the 63 and it actually is a 6.2 liter V8 under the bonnet. A very long hood, and from the front you can notice these very characterizable SLS headlights in a vertical design. And this specific SLS speed shift is from 2012. And just take into consideration it has only 17,000 kilometers. So a perfect collector's item with a value of around 200,000 Swiss francs, which is around 217,000 US dollars. Let me open the door and we will check out what is under the bonnet. You have to pull this security lever and there it opens. Amazing. You can really see that this is a center orientated engine. The GT line also has the engine in the center with a cover in the front, but here you can see the turbos and the V8 6.2 liter engine. It produces around 570 horsepower with a staggering 650 Nm of torque. And this is all on the rear wheels. And just take into consideration that this car weighs around 1700 kilograms. So let me close the bonnet and we will check out the rear before we take it for a drive. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, the link is down below, and I have amazing content special for you about all new Mercedes-Benz vehicles and the most exclusive ones. So now it is time to have a look at the rear and really admire the Roadster, because here you can see that the spoiler is folded inside, and with a button in the interior you can actually fold it outside. It has the SLS emblem, Mercedes star, and the AMG emblem on the other side, and amazing exhaust tips. As I mentioned, it is very wide, almost 1 meter and 94 centimeters in width. So from the exterior you can already see this is 4 meters and 64 centimeters in length. And it has amazing chrome details on the side with the 63 emblem. Gorgeous AMG emblem on the door side. And it closes amazingly. So sitting in this SLS 63 speed shift, I do notice a very sportive seating position. And the quality is really on another level. I really like this from the previous generations of Mercedes-Benz. And you can press the button and in this way the system starts. It says here AMG. Here at the center console you have your AMG speed shift gearbox. Amazing to have it right here with your AMG buttons to change the characteristics of the car. This top one is to change the driving characteristics, just like the dynamic select as we know nowadays. Engine start stop button, you can turn off the ESP, and you can also lower the vehicle or make it a little bit more stiff, the suspension. And my favorite button is the AMG button, because right now you can see the AMG data, the RPM, the power, Leistung, and also the tire pressure. Amazing. So as you can see from the seats, it also has the neck scarf, which actually blows heated air in your neck. And you also have it here from these air vents. You really have some heated air, perfect for the Roadster conditions. some storage space on the side where you can leave your key. And here you have your original previous generation Mercedes-Benz controls for the air vents, air conditioning system. If you press the Navi button, or actually close the AMG setting, you will come to navigation. On the seats you can actually adjust the lumbar, side bolstering, and a lot more. So let's put it into Sport Plus, and we will listen to the sound of this SLS 63 speed shift. Amazing. A lot of pops and bangs. So before we take it for a drive, I will show you how we can open and close the roof. You have to press this button at the center console, and there it closes. Let's put it in reverse. And because it's such a nice weather, let me open it again. It goes very fast, as you can close and open the roof below 50 kilometers an hour. Let's go. This is really amazing, guys, driving the SLS 63 speed shift in a city. Because here you have the acoustic sound of the buildings. In front of us we have an E63S. It has a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo. As you could see, a lot of car spotters around in the city. Let's close the roof. And let's enjoy the sound. In Sport Plus. So let's press my favorite button in this SLS, the AMG button. And right here you can see the temperature of the engine, around 110 degrees. The power, Leistung. And as we are in the city, let's put it back into the comfort mode, which is still very aggressive. And I love the responsiveness of the gas pedal. If you full throttle it for just a few seconds, it will prepare. Amazing large hood, side mirrors, very sportive style. is not only fun to drive in the city, but it also has some practicality which you don't expect. For example, here some storage space where you can leave, for example, your cable or your key. And just behind the controls for the roof, you can actually press this and push it backwards and also forwards. And inside there is a cell phone. And behind the armrest there is an additional storage area, full metal. And that's not the last part. There's actually a bag where you can store some papers. But the gearbox might not be that smooth, but it still feels like it is alive. It does some unexpected things. The crackles. The pops and bangs. Amazing. And it just feels so good having this long hood in front of you. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you like this video with the SLS 63 speed shift of AMG, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.